Hello, welcome to another episode of Necessities of Life. I have another product I'm going to show you now. This is a product I've had for a couple of years, and before I got it, I don't know how I got away with not having it. This item I'm about to show you is absolutely perfect, and it has all manner of applications. So what are we talking about? We have a little device here. This is a Huepar, and it's a spirit level, basic laser level. Uses a green line. It does vertical and horizontal planes. As you can see, I'm using it just here. I'm using it to mark up these boards here. So you can see that lovely nice green line showing on there. So every time I put a board on, I can mark it to this green line, and it works absolutely perfect for it. So again, all manner of applications. You can use it for basically your vertical levels. You can use it for tiling. If you're leveling a platform off for decking or a shed base, you can use it for cement board cladding. If you've got a cement board cladding job you're doing, it's absolutely perfect. It works really, really well. I'm really impressed with it. However, the only thing I have found, being a green line, sometimes when it's extra bright outside, it's very, very difficult to see your lines you're working to. So you can also purchase one of these here. This is a receiver box. So this one is a pulse guide. So it has a pulse feature on it. So basically it sends out a signal that picks up onto this. So how does this work? All we do is it works on that plane as well. So it works vertically and it also works horizontally. So if you've got a long span to do, all you do is you move it until you get a nice solid beep. That tells you that that's your marker there. So if you're working a bit further away, now as you can see on this side, it's very, very difficult to see a green laser line. So if I now put this back on here, there we go. Move it up or downwards. No, move it up, sorry. There we go. Now that tells me from that side to this side, it's going to be level. So that's how that works. Again, all sorts of useful applications for this, especially like, you can do like if you're doing like a raised ceiling or anything like that, setting beams in place, fencing, decking, shed building. You can use it for all manner of applications. What I will do is I will post a link to this product. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the tripod, so you have to get a tripod separately, but you can also get a shallow tripod, which works if you're doing really low to the ground stuff. It's ideal if you're starting off basically projects like trying to level across here. So I will post a link in the description on how to get yours through Amazon, and there you go. Look, I highly recommend the Huepar laser line. Get yours today, and don't forget to like and share and follow me for more helpful hints and tips.